The problem with doing your laundry is you have to lug the detergent over to the washing machine. This can be very tiring and hard on your back. Then, you have to measure out exactly how much for your specific load of laundry. This can be very confusing, so sometimes you just go ahead and put too much.
In order to fix this problem, we created the ADD, or Automatic Detergent Dispenser. Our first prototype was a miniature model of a washing machine. It had a regular dial where we would select the small, medium, and large, and the detergent would dispense according to load size. Because of price range, we had to design a different switch. This one would be cheaper, and it would also select small, medium, and large. Next, we had to have a prototype that incorporated the wiring for our sensors and our solenoid valve. Our final prototype allowed us to show you how we would allow you to view the inside of what we were doing. And now we'll hand it over to Sarah.
Okay, so this is our finished prototype. And if it were closed, it would look more like a washing machine. But we want to show you what's inside. We have this jug here, which holds the detergent. And then tubing runs from the bottom of it into the wash basin, which is where you would put your clothing. We have this solenoid valve here, which stops the detergent from coming out when you don't want it to. We also have a 5-position switch up at the top here, but we only use 3 of the positions. We select small, medium, or large detergent sizes according to how big of a load you have. We also have a Flexiforce sensor at the bottom of this jug to tell you when the detergent is too low. It's connected like this with a bottle cap on the bottom of the jug and then a button and then the Flexiforce to center all of the force of the weight of the detergent onto the end of the Flexiforce. So to demonstrate this, we can push this to the left and it selected a small amount of detergent. If you push it to the right, it takes longer, allowing more detergent to come out. And then if this thing gets too low, so I use my finger to push it up, this light will come on. Or if it's got enough in it, the light will be off. And now, Crittenden will talk about the final design for marketing.
If we were to put this on the market, one thing we would consider is building this actual system into the washing machine. But another thing we also considered was just making an attachable version of the ADD to add onto here. Some design alternatives we would have for this is the switch. It was very unrealistic for what we did, but we worked with it because that's what our university provided us with. We would have a dial like normal washing machines. And also, the Flexiforce that we had was very inaccurate and emotional, so it had some misreading sometimes, and we would have something that was more accurate.
And that's the Automatic Detergent Dispenser.